So I am back at Parrot Cove's Antique Mall in Cocoa Village, Florida. Let's go in and see what they have. When you first come in the front door and off to the right, there's a room that has a little boutique, and here are some clothing. Accessories, some shoes and stuff. Here's a room of a local artist selling his artwork. It is Kyle Heinley. You can see his name is right there in the window. The neon lights. These are different. These are vintage glass bird feeders. Those are really nice. I really like the looks of this. It is a Turkish hand painted. It's reverse painted. And look at the colors. I really like that turquoise and gold together. I thought this tabletop was marble, but that's hand painted. It's wood. It's hand painted to look like marble. It's $120 for the pair. There's another one on the other side over here. There's a bed right here, and then there's another table right over there. Remember him? This is some artwork made out of recycled magazines. That's very clever. Here's some handmade cutting boards. Look at that. This bench. The grain on that wood. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this charcuterie board here. If you know the grain of that wood, let us know in the comments. We can't figure it out, and it's not on the tag either. But well, isn't that pretty? It almost reminds me of olive wood. Here's a piece of Stengel pottery. It's $14. I really like that pattern. You can always tell Stengel usually has that brown interior. And they have things in here too, like yearbooks. This is 1938. This is 1940. Here's a set of the Haviland. This is made in Bavaria. This is one of the good pieces of china that people look for. It's a slow sell though, but it does sell. And they have some more down here. Here's a phone from the 80s. I remember these. Here's some Pigeon Forge pottery mugs. They want the set of 4 for $25. Here's a really cute set of milk glass lamps, a pair I should say. It's $25 for the pair. It is 50% off this booth. I'm gonna get them. These guys are just clowning around. Looks like a puppet show. They have some very large amethyst rocks here. There's some more down here. There's some more over here. Here's another vendor that has different rocks. They have a sign right here. There's some here that I've never seen before. They're very interesting. Here's one of those Russian nesting dolls. Usually you see them in red. I really like this teal color. Now I already did open it up. It is a set of 5. It is $39. That is really nice. There's some painted furniture here that is just beautiful. I really like that piece. And here's a matching dresser. Here's another dealer that makes some woodwork. Really nice. Let me see the price of this. This here is $2,165. This table is really pretty. I like the chairs to go with it. Here's some more painted tables. I really like this one. So we just finished up at the Parrot's Cove Mall. We really do like that mall. It's a lot of handmade items, a lot of beachy themed items, which is fitting for the area because it is close to the beach here. We really like that kind of thing ourselves, so we do enjoy coming here when we come. So we are off to the next mall and we will see you there. Bye-bye.